introduce myself. My name is Wan Mariam Riza binti Muhammad Said. So today we are going to talk about cultural and traditional at Langkawi. Firstly, famous tourist attraction Langkawi also have a unique local culture and traditional that many tourists do not know about. Okay, during our research, we found that respecting local etiquette is very important, especially because most local people are Muslim. Secondly, visitors are encouraged to dress modestly, speak politely, and remove their shoes and before entering someone's house. We also discovered some local phrases and Kedah dialect words such as hang nak pi mana, which meaning is where are you going? Okay. Learning these phrases can help tourists communicate better with local people and show respect for local culture. In addition, Langkawi has many hidden gems like Kilim Geoforest Park and Pantai Pasir Tengkorak, which are less crowded and more peaceful compared to people tourist spots. We also explore traditional local food such as Langkawi ikan sekok, kuih keras, and this food is represent the authentic lifestyle and heritage of the local community in Langkawi. Through this research, we learned that Langkawi is not only about beautiful beach, but also about culture and traditional and local experience. Okay, so that's all from me, and thank you. And I pass to the next person. Thank you.